All right, guys, what is up? I hope you guys are doing well. Today is quite the day. I finally got, let's see here, my drive shafts, or I hope so at least. I'm gonna open them up and we're gonna see if there are any drive shafts in there and if they're gonna fit. That's pretty interesting. And as you can see, my friend, he's got his car up on the lift. All right, I switched the camera up here, but it's a Volvo V70. It's the wagon. And he's got his engine out because he's going to build it, basically. He's gonna put some rods in it. He's got the bigger turbo mounted already. So yeah, right now it's quite the mess. He got the gearbox out as well because he's gonna switch that as well as the clutch. But yeah, I'm gonna put some videos up here for you so we can see. There's a lot of stuff here, and I'm no Volvo expert, so I'm gonna, oh, sorry. I'm no Volvo expert, so I'm gonna have to ask him a little bit, but I figured I could film this for you. That might be interesting for you guys too. I hope so, at least. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen today, I think. Some Volvo and some drive shafts. Yeah, very nice. Okay guys, so got the drive shafts out here, and it seems like they're going to fit, which is nice. These have almost the same length, just like a centimeter shorter, which is nice. And the long ones are about, I don't know, 2-3 centimeters shorter. And these are for the new Beetle with the TDI DSG box, which is very rare to find, but I was able to find them on eBay, so hope they'll work for a little bit at least. But yeah, the only bad thing I can see is the, as you can see, the thickness. But I'm not sure if these are solid, so that might be the reason. But yeah, looking good. All right, guys, so I'm here under the car. Oh, there we go. And I got the, there we go, the inner side mounted now. Just got it tightened up. Now we're gonna have to do the outer side as well. And I think I'm gonna have to remove the heat shield there, the plastic one, because it's in the way, this one. It scratches on the drive shaft. So yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, this won't be much longer of a video, as you can tell, I guess. I figured I wanted to get things done, and I had some friends here, so yeah, we just hung out, so I didn't film that much. But we got the drive shafts in, the axles, which is nice. They're in place, they fit very well. As I said before, when I filmed back there, it's from the Beetle, let's see, like from year 2000 to like 2003 or 5 maybe even, the 1.9 TDI DSG, because they're the same platform as the Golf, they will fit right in on the DSG box, which is very nice. The only problem I had is they're very hard to find. I couldn't find them at Volkswagen here in Sweden, and they couldn't get a hold of it in Germany either, so I had to get them from eBay, which, well, it's not the best, but it will do for now. And I can probably chop up the old axles and fix those to reinforce and shorten them the required amount. But yeah, that's it for today. Hopefully this weekend, probably Friday, I guess, I'll be fixing the wiring because I couldn't put it in gear. That's probably because, I don't know if it's because I'm running ECU Master, but there's 2 pins that need battery power when it's stock or when you're running OEM. But when you're running ECU Master, you only want it on 1 pin, and I don't know which pin it is, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. And when I've done that, I'm gonna show you guys where I plugged everything in and all the pins and everything, so you guys know where to plug everything in, of course. But until I figure everything out, I don't wanna put a video out with the wrong instructions. So yeah. When I got it all figured out, we can at least drive it forward and backwards a little bit. I will put the schematics and everything that works for me at least. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this short little video. We got my friend here as well, as you could see, tearing down his engine, which is nice. We can hang out, having a lot of fun. So yeah, if you liked the video, put a like, comment down below if you're wondering anything. I'll answer everyone, of course, and subscribe if you want to see more and see how it goes with the DSG box. Hopefully we get it running by next week. That's my hopes, at least. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.